what's up fam? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted. Of course you know of the events that have been going on around the world. I just didn't feel like it was the appropriate time to post anything, nor did I want to. I've been such an advocate for the Black Lives Matter movement. Of course I have to be. I am Afro-Latina, a woman of color, so of course I have to support my people. That's all I've been doing on my social media. If you follow me, you've been seeing that. So I just didn't feel comfortable, you know, just uploading any YouTube videos just because I don't know, I guess I've just been feeling a really high level of anxiety during these past events. It's just one thing leads to another, and I've been seeing a lot of like heart-wrenching things on the media, and now that everything is being brought to light finally, because a lot of people refuse to see the things that we deal with on our everyday lives, I just feel like I couldn't just like not say anything. I don't want to get so deep into what's going on. I'm sure you know, if you don't live under a rock, you know what's going on. And I encourage you to keep on supporting, keep signing petitions, donate if you can, and just spread love and awareness. Please educate your friends and family. Have those difficult conversations with them. To those who don't understand because they're not a person of color or they're not black, I've been trying to do my part to educate those who don't know, but honestly it can be really frustrating because not everybody has the same mentality that you have or the same perspective. Honestly, I could talk about this all day. It's not even a perspective matter, it's like a morality matter. I've bumped heads a lot with family and friends because they just don't see the injustices. They just don't understand their privilege or don't have the same experiences that we do as people of color. So of course I know you're gonna lose some friends and family, but just keep on going. Everything happens for a reason. We're gonna keep fighting. We have to get somewhere with this. We have to demand for justice. We have to demand for equality and everything that we deserve as people of color, because we've been oppressed for too long. I'm not gonna keep getting into it, but I just wanted to share that with you guys because it's really important to use your voice and empower the voiceless. So please, 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 please just keep it going. Black Lives Matter. Don't stop. Keep it pushing. Alright, so today we're doing a review on the brand TTDEYE. For those who don't know what this brand is for contact lenses. I bought a couple of cute contact lenses that I want to show you. I've bought from them before. I've bought like 3 different colors from them and I really like them because they look really natural, and that's the goal. So I'm gonna pop this open and show you what I got. I'm gonna try them on and you guys let me know which one's your favorite, what you think, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it comes, I don't know what that is. I think it's like a little pin. Oh no, it's a mirror. It's a hand mirror. So it comes with a mirror. It comes with these 2 little glitter things that I probably won't use, but that's cute. Oh no, it has 2 more actually. There's like some orange and blue ones. And then it comes with your little case so you can put your contacts in. So I have 6 of these. Okay, so the first one that I'm gonna try on is called Blue Gaea. I think that's how you say it. Fair warning, I suck at putting contacts on, so you're gonna see me struggle a lot. I didn't even bother putting eyeliner on because it's gonna get all over my face. Holy Jesus, help me. Oh, damn girl. That does not look like my eyes. Oh, she just realized I bought like 6 pairs of contacts and I didn't even bother getting more solution. What am I doing with my life? Alright guys, this is the Blue Gaea. These are wicked cute. I love the pop of green, and here's a close-up. I also forgot to mention that it brings a little tweezer so you could just pick up your contacts, and then this little wand right here so you could also apply your contacts. I don't use this. I find it so much easier to use my fingers, but if you don't want to use your fingers, I mean, you got options. So the next ones are the HD green. I'm actually really looking forward to trying these on because I wanted a nice Rihanna green moment. Okay, these are the HD greens and they're super cute. Exactly what I wanted. The best part is that it just looks natural because my eyes are really dark. All right, so those are the HD greens and on to the next one. All right, next one we're trying on are called Pink Doughnuts. They're pink contacts. I just wanted to step outside of my comfort zone and try something different. So mama got some pink contacts. Let's put these on. Honestly, this is going good so far. I expected worse. Knowing myself, I'm so clumsy, I drop everything. I thought my mascara was gonna be running all over my face, but so far everything's going smooth. Okay, so these are the pink donuts. Super cute. Gives me that Powerpuff Girl Miss Blossom vibe. Yes, girl, you know I'm doing a tutorial on that coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And on to the next one. The next contacts I'm gonna be trying on are the blue polar lights. These are super cute. Why did you do this to me, polar lights? Why? Oh, I hate that. It ruins my makeup. It's always this eye for some reason. Like this one I could just put in so easy, but the left eye always gives me issues. I don't know why. These are the blue polar lights. Let me know what you think. Do you like these better or do you prefer green? Or both? These blue babies are beautiful. Wow. The next ones we're gonna try on are called Gray Donut. Ooh, these look so cool. Can't see that, but you will. Okay, so these are the Gray Donuts and I love them. They're so cute. I've never had gray contacts before and I was missing out. These are wicked cute. I like them. I feel like a kitty. So we're down to our last pair of contacts and those are the brown donuts. I've been waiting to try these on because I want some nice brown contacts and I think these are gonna be bomb. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. So let's put these little suckers on. I don't know. These are a little too on the orange side for me. I don't know what they're gonna look like on my eyeballs. Whoa, these are fire. At first I didn't know how to feel, but they look really nice. No, I'm definitely getting some cat vibes with these actually. And they're subtle, they don't look too crazy, so this is something that I could definitely wear every day. I feel like these are more on like the yellow side than brown, but I'm not mad. Out of all the ones that I bought, honestly, I like them all. I will definitely be getting my money's worth out of them because they're all wicked cute and they just look so natural. I will link everything down below in the description box if you're interested in purchasing any of these contacts. Check out their page, they're always having sales. I actually bought 3 and I got 3 free. So be on the lookout for that. You definitely will get a good deal. Also guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting on there. If you have any other video ideas or anything else that you want me to do or talk about, comment down below. Also, don't forget to keep on supporting. You know, now that the gears are in motion, things are happening. If we keep on, you know, pushing and we keep on demanding for justice, don't stop fighting the good fight. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys and take care. Bye!